I often come to Disneyland with my son here, and I have so much fun watching him interact with the characters and go on the rides and just have fun around Disneyland. But I thought I'd do a little something different today and see Disneyland through his eyes and what he sees in the park. So that would be kind of fun and different.
Mom, let's get on the train too. Mom, let's get away from the outside.
Okay, let's go.
A ducky.
A ducky?
Can you take a picture first?
Yeah, you want me to take a picture of the ducky?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a train.
Sorry.
It's gonna be down to us. Choo-choo train.
Alright, friends.
Hello.
Come on in.
Hi! Mom, remember they're making Princess Water Ride?
Yeah, they're making the new Princess Water Ride. You're right.
Then it changed to a different one. Now it changed to a new one.
You're right. Yeah.
May seem peaceful through here, but trust me,
That's a tiger! Look! Oh, he's gonna put smoke in the rope. He's gonna put this thing in. Oh, there's a horse thing. Fast train ride! Baby fox! It's a baby fox! Try to catch your food. Maybe he's hungry to get that food. To the castle!
To the castle.
Yeah.
Okay, are we doing Casey Jr.?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright guys, watch your fingers, watch your toes, okay?
Okay, walk.
There's a ducky! Look! Look, Mom! Look! He's just floating and he's going wet!
Over. Say hello, Lightning.
Hello, Lightning.
There you go, that's it. Oh, yeah.
You bet.
Great stuff. Oh, this guy's over.
Bye, Lightning.
Bye, Lightning.
It was nice.
One. So I want those ones, okay, Mom? Let's practice team.
All right. Okay, before we get into all the footage of my son running through Disneyland, I did want to share a little bit more with you about the Insta360 GO 3 camera. So this is the world's smallest vlogging camera, and it's super unique, and it's got a lot of really cool features if you're a vlogger or if you're a parent who wants to capture some memories within your family. This is really great, and let me show you some of the features. So one of the great things is how lightweight and portable this is. So if I want to get some really fun footage, whether at Disneyland or at home, I don't have to lug around a big bulky camera. I have this little tiny lightweight camera ready to go, easy at my fingertips. And one of the things that I used a lot, and what I used for a lot of the footage that I got in the parks, was this necklace here. It's a magnetic necklace. Let me show you how it works. It's really cool, and it captures the most unique perspectives, like really fun POV videos that you can create using this. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so this is both what I wore and my son wore. So it just looks like a little necklace. It's very lightweight. Put it on over your giant Mickey ears. And then this part, actually you can tighten it. It's very easy to tighten. Just like that. So you can get it to right about where you want it. This part goes underneath your garment. And then here's your camera. We're gonna unlock it and pop it out, which is really easy to do. It does lock in place, so you have to hold a button to unlock it, so you don't have to worry about this just like falling out at any time. And then it just sticks right here. So you can get really fun videos of like you chasing your toddler around or whatever it may be, and you can be hands-free and get some really interesting, really cool shots. So the action pod here does have a really cool flip screen. So if you wanted to flip the screen around and shoot more of like in a selfie mode, I could see what I am filming very easily. I love that feature of it. And one of the other great features of the action pod is that it is waterproof up to 16 feet. So Insta360 actually has its own editing software. You can edit your clips that you take on your phone or on your laptop. Either way, you are going to get these really cool, really unique videos because they offer templates that you can use, or you can make it your own and add your own special touches to make your own personal unique video. They do offer a wide range of shooting capabilities, like this one that I shot in time lapse, where we kind of walked throughout the park and got like a quick overview of where we went. They also offer something called free frame. Free frame is really great because after you have taken the footage and you've uploaded it to the editing app, you can actually change the scope and what you actually see, as you can see that I'm doing here on the editing app. And it's just a really unique way, again, to just adjust and get it to be just the way that you want this film to look. If you want to check out the Insta360 GO 3 for yourself, I do have a link down below for you, along with some more details on the camera itself. Okay, now we're switching it up a little bit. I'm actually going to be the one wearing the camera, and I'm just going to kind of, we might go see a character or two, and it just gives me a chance to just kind of be hands-free and enjoy the moment with him. So let's see what I catch from my perspective of my son in the park.
You have to wait your turn.
Look how sweet. Hi, Donald. Oh, do you love Donald? Oh, here, I should probably take a picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank you. Give him a high five. Wait, he wants a high five. Wow. I think I might break it.
Bye, Disneyland.
Okay, how fun was that to see Disneyland through the eyes of a toddler? What I loved about it, and looking back, so I was obviously there with my toddler filming all of this, but I realized there were some moments that I missed. There were some little phrases that he said or little things that he pointed out that I didn't catch because I was just there, you know, taking in the environment myself. But it was really fun to see that the camera caught these little moments that were special to him, like where he pointed out some ducks, which when we were on Casey Jr., which I didn't hear him say that. I was talking to somebody else that was talking to me in line. So it was just cool to see that the camera caught all these special little moments. So again, if you want to check out the Insta360 GO 3 for yourself, check out that link in the caption. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.